Let's go on a quick, American Cruise Line's room tour. This is a Vista balcony room on the American Eagle. There is a nice dresser and large flat-screen TV across from a bright and clean, king-size bed. And the floor-to-ceiling glass doors are the star of the room, providing amazing views, natural light, and a nice private balcony with a table and 2 chairs. It is a great place to sit outside, to enjoy the views, a cup of coffee, or a cocktail. Sweeping a view of the room again, on the other side, you will find a nice large desk, shelving, and a closet. While the room is not huge, it is a decent size, also fitting a small armchair in the corner. The desk was equipped with a small chair and a large mirror to double as a vanity. It also housed the telephone and coffee maker, along with shelves containing a tissue box and an ice bucket and hairdryer. Opening the closet, there was a safe, the life jackets, and ample room to hang clothes, with about 10 included hangers. On each side of the bed was a nightstand, with a small drawer and lamp, and perhaps most important, an accessible power outlet and USB power port. Entering the bathroom, we find a bright space that feels surprisingly expansive for a small ship. A glass-enclosed shower offers high-end touches, and premium toiletries and plush towels are provided. The large mirror and lighting give the space a bright, clean look. A few last items before we close. The door can clamp onto the wall to keep it open, and it takes a bit of force to pull it out. And behind the door, we found the thermostat and audio control. Further down the wall, under the thermostat, you will find an emergency button, which is used to call for help if needed. We hope you found this video informative. Please like, follow, and subscribe.